Why choose stickers for your Etsy side hustle? Well, stickers pack a punch in the world of online selling. They're small, cute, affordable, and easily collectible, making them perfect for individuals with even a modest disposable income. As a seller, the perks are undeniable. Stickers are a breeze to create, incredibly lightweight, keeping shipping costs low, require minimal storage, and happen to be among the hottest commodities on Etsy. Just take a look at the abundance of sticker listings on the platform. It's a bustling market. Case in point, this successful seller boasts 73,000 sales and $332,000 in earnings solely from selling stickers. The tool I'll introduce today will empower you to craft designs that can rival such success stories. And so let's dive in. Step 1. Design hunting. Embark on your sticker selling journey with the first step, diving into the delightful realm of design. Don't worry about your artistic prowess. We've got you covered. Head over to the treasure trove called Kittl, where a plethora of sticker templates awaits. After setting up your account and logging in, navigate to the Templates section, click on Stickers, and voila! You're in for a visual treat, with countless templates ready to spark your creative genius. Step 2. Sticker designing. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of crafting your sticker designs. Start by clicking on any sticker template that catches your eye. I've got my sights on this cool one. Click, and you're on your way. Now don't just download it as is. Let's put your unique spin on it. It's a breeze to tweak these designs into your masterpieces. For instance, change Let's Dance to something like Good Vibes. It's as simple as clicking on the text, typing in your desired words, and voila! We're not stopping there. Match the background to your text, swap out the disco ball for a peace sign, or ditch the image altogether. Quick color changes to make it pop, and voila! In just about 30 seconds, you've birthed a brand new, totally you sticker design. Step 3. Learning simple designs. When it comes to your sticker designs, keep it simple and stress-free. Take a cue from successful Etsy sellers. Most stickers follow a straightforward formula. It's either a snappy 2 to 3 word phrase or a captivating image. Guess what? You can effortlessly recreate these on Kittl. Let's prove it with another design. Head back to the main sticker template page and like magic, something catches your eye. In my case, it's a set of 5 designs. In about 30 seconds, we've effortlessly birthed our second fabulous sticker design. Step 4. Object-based designs. Break free from the text-only norm because, guess what? The sticker world isn't limited to words alone. Many Etsy shops thrive on object-based stickers like sandals, pumpkins, or butterflies. Creating these gems is a breeze on Kittl. For instance, let's spread our wings and make a butterfly sticker. A quick type of butterfly in Kittl, scroll through the templates, pick a favorite, delete the excess, jazz up the colors, and voila! In about 15 seconds, we've effortlessly birthed our third unique sticker design. Imagine the possibilities. We've just whipped up 3 distinct stickers in a mere minute and a half. Keep the creative juices flowing, and I bet we could easily crank out around 50 diverse designs by day's end. Alright, before we dive deeper into the sticker selling magic, I want to take a moment to connect with you. If you're enjoying the insights and tips so far, make sure to hit that like button. And hey, if you haven't already, consider hitting subscribe for more fantastic content. We're Pivot Online, your go-to hub for unleashing creative side hustles and turning passions into profits. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the wealth of ideas we've got lined up for you. And speaking of which, check out our other videos for more inspiration. Now back to the sticker selling journey. Let's keep the creative vibes flowing. Step 5. Sticker sales. We've got our fantastic lineup of stickers ready, and now it's time to turn these creations into cash. In just about 10 minutes, I've whipped up an additional 12 sticker designs, bringing our total to 15 unique gems ready for Etsy stardom. Fun fact, one of these stunners was crafted using Kittl AI, a tool that transforms prompts into unique stickers in mere seconds. Now let's hustle and get these beauties up on our Etsy shop, which is currently sitting empty with 0 sales. I'll kick off the listing spree with this beauty. Step 6. Etsy shop setup. Etsy listing is an art, and I'm here to spill the beans on a few best practices. First and foremost, the product image steals the show. Aim for a high-quality image that showcases your sticker's real-life awesomeness. Take a page from successful sellers. They either snap real-life pictures or use mock-ups. Check this seller out. They've placed their stickers against a wooden table background from unsplash.com, creating a professional look. Mimic this magic by searching for a wooden table image on unsplash.com, choosing one you fancy, and downloading it. Back in Kittle, layer the table image behind your sticker design, add a drop shadow for that realistic touch, and bam! You've just crafted your product image. Repeat this process for all your stickers. It's a quick 20-second ritual per sticker. With our dazzling sticker mockups in hand, it's time to hit the upload button on Etsy. Be sure to sprinkle those listings with titles that are not just relevant but rich in keywords. Offering individual stickers or sets of 5, 10, or 20. We'll follow suit and give our customers the same options. Spend about half an hour uploading, setting prices, and configuring your shop. Once everything's in place, the stage is set. And now we wait for the sales to roll in. Anticipate the first sale within 1 to 2 days. Step 7. Sticker printing and preparation. Cue the excitement. Your Etsy shop is officially live, all listings are up, and the shop looks vibrant and inviting. Now, as the sales start flowing in, it's time to prepare for the next phase, turning virtual into real. In just a short while, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of transforming these digital creations into tangible stickers. All you need is a pair of scissors and a trusty printer. With the stickers freshly printed, it's time to shift our focus to precision, cutting them out. Grab your trusty pair of scissors and carefully cut out each sticker. Keep in mind that if your side hustle evolves into a sticker empire, investing in an automatic cutter might save you time. But for now, we're embracing the hands-on approach. And just like that, we've got our beautifully cut stickers ready for the next step. Step 8. Product shipping. Our stickers are looking sharp, but before we ship them off, let's talk packaging. A flat mailer is our go-to, ensuring your stickers arrive in pristine condition. While you could use a regular envelope, it's a bit risky. Bent stickers during transit are no fun. A rigid flat mailer, available for around 28 cents on Amazon, is the way to go. Slip your stickers inside, seal it up, and place the shipping label directly on the flat mailer. Etsy's got you covered for handling shipping labels. A cool perk? No need to make a post office run. You can either pop it in your mailbox or have the post office swing by and pick it up, all for free. And just like that, you've successfully transformed your virtual creations into tangible stickers, shipped, and ready for your first customer. Congrats on your first sale. Here's to many more. As we wrap up this sticker selling adventure, I want to extend a huge thank you for pivoting into creativity with us at Pivot Online. If you've enjoyed the ride and found our insights valuable, don't forget to give that like button a gentle pivot. It truly means the world to us. Ready for more entrepreneurial inspiration and creative ideas? Hit that subscribe button and join our thriving community. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you fresh ideas and exciting side hustle journeys. Until next time, this is Pivot Online signing off.